You see gold breaking out and enter long. The momentum looks perfect. Then price violently spikes 200 pips in the opposite direction, swallowing your stop loss. Institutional algorithms engineer these sudden reversals to generate liquidity. In the ICT model, this is known as the Judas Swing. In the world of smart money concepts, gold moves through a highly specific three-phase algorithm known as the power of three, or PO3. It accumulates, it manipulates, and then it distributes. To survive this cycle, you have to stop looking at your chart like a retail trader hunting for breakouts and start reading the map the institutions use to generate liquidity. The first thing you need to do is throw away your local broker's daily open time. In the institutional world, there is only one clock that matters, New York. Everything begins exactly at the 000 midnight open. This diagram shows how that midnight price acts as a horizontal anchor for the entire day. It splits the chart in half. Any price above midnight is a premium, marked in red. Any price below is a discount, glowing green. Institutions wait until price drops into this deep green zone to acquire long positions cheaply. This midnight open is the pivot point for every institutional decision. Without it, you are trading blind to the difference between a high-risk premium and a high-probability discount. The cycle kicks off during the Asian session, roughly between 8 p.m. and midnight Eastern Time. This chart highlights that period with a tight rectangular box, capturing the sideways price movement. Retail traders usually get frustrated here by the lack of volatility, but institutions use this quiet period to secretly aggregate massive positions without tipping their hand. There is a specific constraint to watch for. If this range measures less than 40 pips on gold, the spring is tightly coiled. A massive expansion is guaranteed to follow. Taking trades inside this narrow box is a great way to get chopped up. We only identify the Asian range to mark its highs and lows because those edges are exactly what the algorithm will target next. Around 2 a.m. Eastern, the London Killzone begins. This is when the market springs the trap built during the Asian session. Look at this sharp plunge. Price violently drops below the midnight open and breaks the Asian range low. This triggers panicking retail sell orders. Gold performs a deep sweep, pushing 10 to 20 pips past the low. Down at this absolute bottom, institutional algorithms step in, absorbing every retail sell order to build massive long positions. By driving price into these extreme lows, the algorithm clears the board of retail stop losses, allowing banks to load up on cheap assets at a massive discount. You know the manipulation phase is officially over when price makes a sharp U-turn and decisively pierces back up through that midnight equilibrium line. That crossover is your precise entry signal. The weak hands are stopped out, and the path is clear. For your exit strategy, you project the average daily range. This upper target line appears, plotting a massive expansion move opposite the Judas Swing. Entering at this exact moment means you are no longer guessing at market momentum. You are mathematically executing the distribution phase the banks planned hours ago. The power of three is strictly bound by the clock. This strategy relies entirely on time-price alignment. The window closes at the 11 a.m. Eastern London close. This is the exact hour when institutional traders start squaring their books and taking profits. If you stubbornly hold a position past noon, you will almost certainly get caught in an afternoon retracement. The market will drain your unrealized gains and turn a perfectly executed morning into a net loss. Protecting your capital means executing with discipline. Knowing exactly when to close your laptop is the dividing line between consistent professionals and amateurs who give their profits back to the market. Mastering the midnight pivot gives you a distinct edge. You stop reacting to terrifying drops and start predicting exactly where the trap will be sprung. But catching a precise 10 to 20 pip sweep on an asset as aggressive as gold requires an environment with zero friction. You need absolute precision to execute at the very bottom of the wick. That is why this strategy pairs perfectly with FXNX. Their 0.0 pip spreads ensure you enter exactly where you intend to, completely eliminating the slippage that normally kills traders during volatile Judas swings. Look at the interface on screen. You can download the FXNX Daily Range Calculator to automatically plot your midnight open and ADR target levels directly on your charts, entirely removing the guesswork. Download the tool today. Stop providing liquidity for the banks and start trading alongside the algorithm.